In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find record ID in Airtable. If you work with automations, integrations, or scripts, you'll often need a record's unique identifier called the record ID. It's a stable code assigned to each row, and it helps you reliably refer to the exact item you want, no matter how you sort, filter, or rename things. First, open your Airtable base and go to the table where your data lives. Any view is fine, grid, gallery, or another layout, as long as you can see the record you're interested in. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct table so you don't accidentally copy the ID from a different dataset. Remember, each table has its own set of record IDs. Next, click once on the row you want. In Airtable, a row is a single record which might represent a task, a contact, a product, or anything else in your base. Clicking it ensures you've highlighted the exact entry you plan to inspect. This is a simple step, but it helps avoid confusion when multiple records look similar. Now, double-click that same row to open the expanded record view. The expanded view is a focused, full-screen panel that shows all fields for that record, including long text, attachments, collaborators, and more. Opening this view gives you access to details that aren't always visible in a compact table layout, and it's the easiest place to confirm you're looking at the right item before grabbing its ID. With the expanded record open, look for the record ID displayed in the record details. You'll typically see a short code that starts with rec, followed by a string of letters and numbers. That's your record's unique identifier. It's distinct from the record's name or primary field, and it won't change even if you edit the content. If your window is small, you might need to scroll or let the interface finish loading for the ID to appear clearly. Once you see it, you can reference that code anywhere it's needed, such as in automation steps, external tools, or documentation, so everything consistently points to the same record. And that's it. Open your base, select the row you want, double-click to expand it, and read the record ID from the details. A quick reminder before you go, don't confuse the row position or a field value with the record ID. Only the string that begins with rec is the true identifier. With this simple process, you'll always have the exact ID you need for smooth, stable workflows across Airtable and any connected apps.